Hello, everyone. Today is Monday, November 20th. Just wanted to give you another market update for this week, just very quickly. And just also wanted to say these videos and emails I've been doing with our core Fish Creek group. So it's not going out to the broad audience. I've got to figure out what to do with that list. But I wanted to just create some of this content just for the main core Fish Creek investors, clients, and friends. So I haven't said that, so just wanted to kind of pass that along as well. So let's just look and see what we've got. It is a holiday shortened week. Of course, Thanksgiving is Thursday, so the market will be closed on Thursday, and then on Friday we'll just have a half day with the market on Friday. From a macro perspective, there's not a ton this week. There's German PPI for October will be out on. It was actually out this morning. The FOMC minutes will be Tuesday afternoon this week. From an earnings perspective, the key company reporting is going to be NVIDIA. So those earnings will be Tuesday after the close. So it'll be interesting to see if they're able to keep up with their growth that they've had. So let's look. The market today kind of just opened quietly, slightly higher, and then has kind of just slowly gotten stronger all morning. The Dow is now up 200 points. So as I'm doing this, it's the Dow's at the high for today. So it just kind of has slowly kind of grinding higher. We've got from an equities factor, the sector's value growth, high dividend momentum, equal weight dividend growth. They're all up. From a sector perspective, technology, healthcare, consumer discretionary, industrials, energy, real estate, they're all up. Utilities and consumer staples are down. So that tells you, again, we're seeing kind of a broader depth to this this market so far in November, and I would expect that continue. From a technical perspective, from a short term basis, we're a little overbought, so there are some short term signals that could signal a short pullback possibly, but I would not worry about it. I think we're still going to see a good November and December right now. It looks pretty good. I was going to just quickly read some stats that were interesting from a newsletter called Cap Thesis that I get, and we have seen. So last week there was another 4-day winning streak, counting Friday's advance. So that gives us. There was an interesting statistic here. So yeah, 3 weeks of gains. So the last week we had a gain of 2.4%. This would be for the S&P, and that gives us 3 weeks where the S&P is now up 9.6%. That is the best 3-week run since the period right after the COVID lows. So unbelievable advance these last 3 weeks. And it's pretty rare, going all the way back to 2008. The good news is that's a very bullish signal. So it can often lead to more upside, in the months to come. So that's why I say if we do see some kind of short-term pullback, I think over, through the end of the year, I think we're going to be good. So you'll see your accounts being much more invested, and we've had a good month. So hopefully we can keep capturing some of these gains. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you have a great week. Happy Thanksgiving.